Imagine your car suddenly forgets how to be a car because its brain has developed a permanent case of amnesia. That is basically what is happening when you see the code P062F, which points to an internal error in the electronically erasable read-only memory, or the EEPROM inside your powertrain control module. This is one of those serious codes that can make your car act possessed, causing everything from a total no-start condition to the engine just dying while you are sitting at a red light. The EEPROM is like a bank of transistors that stores small bits of vital info the car needs to function, and it is designed to last for hundreds of years. But extreme heat or water getting into PCM can kill it. When you turn the key, the car runs a self-test on all its modules over the CA on bus, and if the data does not match up, this code gets triggered. You might also see issues with the transmission control module or the traction control system, because they all talk to this memory bank. Diagnosing this is a challenge even for the pros, because it often involves reprogramming. Before you go out and buy a whole new computer, check your power supply and ground circuits. Use your DVOM to test the fuses and relays under a load, because a simple drop in power can sometimes trick the computer into thinking it has an internal failure. Look at the chassis and engine ground points to make sure they are clean and tight. If you find any sign of water damage, or if the computer case looks like it has been baking in an oven, you are likely looking at a replacement. Just remember that if you do replace the PCM, you cannot just plug it in and drive away. You will need special equipment to program the new unit and the memory chip so they can speak the same language as the rest of your car. This is a tough one, but checking the basics first can save you a lot of money before you commit to the big repairs.